x plus y equals to 6, xy equals to 36. We want to find the value of x and the value of y. Let's get down the equation first. X plus y equal to 6. Let's call this equation 1, and xy equal to 36. Let's call this equation 2. Now, from equation 1, let's move this particular y to the right hand side. So that will be x equal to 6 minus y. Let's call this equation 3. What we have to do now is to substitute equation 3 into equation 2. That is, in place of x, we're gonna write 6 minus y. So that will be 6 minus y times y equal to 36. Let's open this bracket. 6 times y, 6y, minus y times y square, equal to 36. This implies that rearranging this, we have y square minus 6y plus 36. Hi, welcome, tigers. White t-shirt, welcome. Now, let's consider this quadratic equation to get the value of y. We can solve it using quadratic formula or completing the square method. But for the case of this video, we are going to use completing the square method by completing the square method. The first thing we are going to do is to transfer. Okay, there is 0 here. The first thing we are going to do is to transfer this constant to the right hand side. So we have y squared minus 6y equal to minus 36. Now, the second step is that we are going to add half of the coefficient of y and at the same time square it to both sides. The coefficient of y here is minus 6. And what is half of minus 6? That is minus 6 over 2. And we square it. So add minus 6 over 2 all square to both sides. So that's what we're going to do now. So from here we have y square minus 6y plus minus 6 divided by 2 all squared equal to minus 36 plus minus 6 divided by 2 all squared. It is possible I can combine this left hand side, so that will be y minus 6 over 2 all squared equal to the right hand side minus 36 plus minus 6 divided by 2 all squared. So we have y minus 6 divided by 2, that is 3 all squared, equal to minus 36 plus minus 6 divided by 2 minus 3 all squared. Let's continue. So we have y minus 3 all squared equal to minus 36 plus, what is minus 3 all squared? That is minus 3 times minus 3, which is 9. This means that, sorry, y minus 3 all squared is equals to minus 36 plus 9, that is negative 27. Y minus 3, okay, let us take positive square root of both sides. If we take square roots of both sides, doing that, we simply have y minus 3 equal to plus or minus square root of minus 27. This means that y minus 3 is equals to plus or minus. I can write this as square root of 27 times square root of minus 1. So I have y minus 3 equal to plus or minus. I can also rewrite square root of 27 as square root of 9 times square root of 3. But this guy, don't forget, from the complex number, square root of minus 1 is equals to I. So let's replace this with I. We have I here. Y minus 3 is equals to plus or minus. What is square root of 9? That is simply 3 times square root of 3 I. This implies that y is equals to 3 plus or minus 3 root 3 I. This is the value of y. This in turn gives y equals to, consider the positive sign, we have 3 plus 3 root 3i, or we say y is equals to, consider the negative sign, 3 minus 3 root 3i. You will see that we have two values for y. We can then use these two values to obtain the value of x. So let us do that now. So since we already know that x is equals to 6 minus y, this is equation 3. Equation 3. Now, let's consider each value of y. Consider this first. When y is equals to 3 plus 3 root 3i, what will be the value of x? Let us just plug this value of y here to obtain the value of x. So that will be x equal to 6 minus, in place of y, we write this 3 plus 3 root 3i. X is equals to 6 minus times 3 minus 3 minus times plus, that is minus 3 root 3i. X equal to 6 minus 3, 3 minus 3 times square root of 3i. This is the value of x. Therefore, the first solution, x comma y, is equals to, the value of x is this, 3 minus 3 root 3i, comma, the value of y is 3 plus 3 root 3i, 3 plus 3 root 3i. This is the first solution. Now, let's consider the second value of y, this guy. When y is equals to 3 minus 3 root 3i, we're going to do the same thing as we did for when y equals to this. by plugging it into this expression. So that will be x equals to 6 minus 3 minus 3 root 3i. X equals to 6 minus times 3 minus 3 minus times minus, that is plus 3 root 3i. X is equals to 6 minus 3, 3 plus 3 root 3i. Therefore, the second solution is simply x comma y equals to, the value of x is this, 3 plus 3 root 3i. The value of y is this guy, 3 minus 3 root 3i. You will deduce that all the solutions that we have, x comma y is equals to set of, the first solution that we obtain is 3 minus 3 root 3i, comma 3 plus 3 root 3i, comma, and the second solution is this guy, 3 plus 3 root 3i, comma 3 minus 3 root 3i. This is the second solution. We can verify this solution if it is correct. So that's what we are going to do now. Let's verify it. Verify using equation 1, x plus y is equals to 6. So let's use this equation to verify these answers. Let's verify this one first. This is x. This is y. Just plug it here. 3 minus 3 root 3i plus, what is y? This 3 plus 3 root 3i equals to 6. That's the claim. Clearly, 3 plus 3, that is 6. Minus 3 root 3i plus 3 root 3i, that is 0. So this equals to the right hand side. You will see that the left hand side is the same thing as the right hand side. That means the first solution is indeed correct. Now let us verify this second answer. This is x, y, this is y. Plugging it into this expression, we have 3 plus 3 root 3i plus, in place of y, we write this 3 minus 3 root 3i equals to 6. That's our claim. Clearly, 3 root 3i minus 3 root 3i, that's vanish. 3 plus 3, 6, equal to 6. The left hand side also is the same thing as the right hand side here. That means the second answer that we got is also correct. So that's it for this video.